So how to create multiple directories, and in this case we're using On Commander Pro, a file manager that you can download over there, and part of the tutorial is to create new directories. So let's look at the file here by pressing F3 and Control mouse wheel to zoom a bit. So the first thing that we can do if we're in this directory is just to click on create new directory, then you enter the name of the directory, so it's already 5 tests, and if I click OK, then you see I'm in this new directory, and it is now created. It wasn't created, so now if I refresh this one, you see now it's created, and it already moved me to this directory. Now you have also another option. Here is, for example, I can select more files, so I can select these 2 files. So select first these 2 files, then again let's press F7, and in this case let's create a new directory called 5test2, and here I can click on move selected file to this directory. Now what it will do, it will create the directory and move what you've selected to this directory. Now if you want to do more, you can also create multiple directories. So in this case let's copy paste, Ctrl C, and here in file let me check that I'm in this directory, then create multiple directories, and then if I do Ctrl V, and then either you can also hit Ctrl Enter or click on the OK button. And here you see now the test3 and test4 directory, and if I go to test3, you see it has also a subdirectory with another directory, and the test4 is just with no subdirectory. So in this way you can easily create multiple directories. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like it, just put the thumb up and share this video. Bye.